Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher and I hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. I do appreciate that. Y'all, today I'm going to unbox a really special item I got from Poshmark, and it's going to be a Coach tote bag, and it's a Keith Haring collaboration with Coach. I love and collect Keith Haring items, and I definitely love Coach. If you've been watching my channel, you know that for sure. This is called the Market Tote, and it's in an ice blue color, and it has one of the little hearts on the front in like a leathery sequin pattern. And it also comes with a heart Keith Haring / Coach bag charm as well. So a really good deal that I found on Poshmark, and I couldn't resist it. The interior is lined with the Keith Haring signature print. So I definitely can't wait to open it and show y'all what I got. And hopefully everything is gonna be really good with this bag and it be in really good condition. I know there was a couple little marks on it, but this bag was from 2017. So it's definitely gonna have a little bit of wear on it, but let's open it up together and see what we've got here. Before I do that though, I do wanna say thank you to all my returning subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you like luxury handbags and fashion as much as I do, please consider subscribing today by hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I do post high quality images sometimes on Instagram of the things I review. So definitely check those out. For everything else Mad Hatter, check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there, discount codes, shopping links, and you can also shop my Depop closet as well. So with all that being said, if everybody could just take one moment and give this video a big thumbs up for a like, it does help my channel to grow and I appreciate that. Also, don't forget to hype my video on the YouTube app. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get on to this unboxing of this beautiful Coach Market Tote in this ice blue color that I got from Poshmark. And it just came today in the mail, so I can't wait to open this up and accept the package and let the seller that gave it to me actually get their money. So I buy on Poshmark quite often, and I actually sell on there. I was selling on there, but lately their stuff has been so expensive as far as the fees that they charge the seller. So I stopped buying on there, and I actually sold my Coach twin turn lock in the Love Leather on there, and I got a really good deal for it as far as the price. I got what I wanted for it, but the process took so long, y'all. I was just like, you know what? I'm not selling anything on Poshmark. So if it's over $500 on Poshmark, you have to send it off to be verified. Y'all, it took about a month for that bag to be verified, and I actually got paid for it, and I was like, this is ridiculous, and I'm not doing it again. So I removed all my stuff from my Poshmark closet. So everything else is on my Depop closet if you're interested to check that out. So, but I do still buy from Poshmark, obviously. So this is from Poshmark, and it came in this little box here. They sent it in a, looks like farmer's dog box, but that's okay. Let's open it up together and see what we've got here. And they actually wrote on here, careful cutting open. So I'm gonna be careful. I don't want to damage anything, but the seller put a really nice little sticker on the top and everything and wrapped it up really nicely. So I'm thinking that the packaging is going to be really good. So let's see what they've given us here. And I think I got a fairly good price on this bag, y'all, for it being an older 2017 tote. And like I said, this is basically a collector's item. And the way things have been going lately with Coach, that's probably all I'm really gonna do is probably find like collector's items from the Preloved market, unless there's something that I just have to have that I find on the Coach outlet or Coach retail, because I'm just tired of their stuff. So they actually put a little card in here for me. So thank you so much to the seller. All right, it says thank you. Let me open it up here and see what it says on the inside. I like when sellers actually add things like this. So it's like a little card that says thank you on it. Nice little touch. All right, and it says, hi Christopher, thank you, and I hope you love and enjoy her. I'm keeping her in her dust bag so she arrives in top shape. All my bags are like my kids. I love them all, and I hope you do as well. Thank you again, Kelley. So thank you, Kelley. I appreciate that, and it's marked 4/3 of 2026. So thank you so much, Kelley. I do appreciate that, and I love the thank you card so much, and I'm sure I'm gonna love your baby. So let's open it up and see. There's a little thank you receipt in there, and she's packaged it with a bunch of tissue paper, which I appreciate. Oh, look, and look. So she gave me a little gift here. Looks like a couple little gifts. So thank you, Kelley. I appreciate it. Looks like some hand cream. All right, Trader Joe's hand cream. That's a really awesome little gift. Thank you, Kelley. I appreciate that. What else do we have here? Let's see, it's another little free gift. It looks like some little, like candy or something, some sort of razzle dazzle dip or something. I'm not sure. I'll have to open it up. And then here is the bag in here, and it says thank you on the top here with a little sticker. So let's open up this market tote and see how she looks. And we're gonna take out Kelley's baby and my new baby. All right, y'all, so here she is. She's wrapped it up in plastic for me. Thank you, Kelley. And I'm definitely gonna cherish this bag and take care of it as my own. As you can see, I have a huge collection of Coach and all kind of bags behind me, so they're my babies too. All right, let's get into this bag here from Kelley. She's got the bag in the dust bag, so very nice. All right, let's pull it all off here. And what else does this take to it? It looks like, oh, this must be the little charm. So she's got the charm, the bag tag right there, the hang tag right there in the heart. I'll show you that in a minute, and I'll untape it from that plastic, but move all this paper. All right, so here is the bag in a dust bag. It doesn't look like a Coach dust bag. It may be, but it doesn't have anything Coach on it. It's just a white dust bag. But maybe that's how it came. I don't know. But let's get into it and see this bag, y'all. Oh, I can't wait. Oh my gosh, y'all. You ready? All right, here's the handles. And y'all know how I feel about a dust bag on this channel. It's just a damn dust bag, y'all. We get rid of those. All right, y'all, look at this beautiful market tote. I don't know if you're familiar with Keith Haring, but this is one of his signature designs, is the heart there, and I love it. It's beautiful. Oh, this is stunning, y'all. This bag is so pretty. Oh my gosh. The hardware on it is in a black color. Let me do a little spin here, and I'll go over some details with you of this beautiful bag. All right, here is the side and then the back side of it. It's similar to the city tote, but it's called the market tote. It's a little bit different, and it's in a pebbled leather. So there's the bottom of it. But it looks like it's in excellent condition. There was a couple of spots she told me about, one right up here somewhere, but you can barely see that, and there might have been a coffee stain on the inside, but all of the little sequins on the heart look beautiful, and they're all intact, so I'm happy with that. All right, so that is the front side of it. There is the Coach logoing on the front there, very beautiful. And like I said, it has all of the dark hardware on it there in this beautiful ice blue color. And then your handles here, they're ice blue, but on the other side, they have a darker color there, kind of a maroon color there. So let's get everything out of the inside of the bag, and I'm gonna show you the interior of the bag. All right, y'all, I got everything out of the bag on the inside. She had it stuffed really good. Thank you, Kelley, for doing that. On the interior of this bag is a beautiful, different multicolored print, and it's the Keith Haring print, if you can see on the inside of there. Everything looks beautiful on the inside, y'all. She said there was a coffee stain back on this backside, but it's really hard to tell with the print being like it is. So I'm gonna probably just do a light little cleansing with some foam cleanser inside there, just to refresh the bag a little bit. It does have a little ring here, and then you also have a little dog leash style hook here in that dark hardware there, and it just attaches together so you can close the bag down. So that's really a nice little touch. And then the pocket on the inside comes out like this, so you can actually open up the pocket. It's like a little separate piece. And then you have your journey tag as well here. There's the journey tag for it, and it says Coach and Keith Haring on it. And it's a little bubbly, but it's fine, like I said, for a 2017 bag. Then you have this blue leather across the top here. You have a really nice zipper pull as well in the leather, and then you also have the interior of this pocket is really nice too. And does it say anything? I think it just says Coach on the inside in that beautiful blue color as well. It's got some little Coach logoing on the inside of that. But this bag is in really great shape, y'all, for a 2017 bag. And just from looking over it, I'm super happy with it. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and accept this bag. So thank you so much, Kelley. I appreciate it. And I'll send her the link to this video as well so she can watch the review on her bag and my unboxing. So thank you so much. All right, y'all, yeah, she's beautiful, and I'm happy to add her to my collection. So thank you so much, Kelley. Let's look at the little hang tag here, and we'll unwrap it. All right, so Kelley wrapped up both of the hang tags. This is the one that's the Keith Haring one in the heart. I'll show you that one up close when I unwrap it, but she put it in plastic for me. And then here's the hang tag that actually came on the bag. And I don't know that if the heart originally came with the tag, with the heart tag or not. I'm sure Kelley could let us know if she watches this video and she wants to comment and let us know, you know, what actually came originally with the bag, but I don't think it did. I think those were having to be, I think those had to be purchased separately. So here is the hang tag that came with it, I know, and it's in that ice blue color, and it says Coach and Keith Haring on it. So there is the original hang tag there, and it's got the dark little chain on it, okay? The back side of it is in like that darker color there, okay? And then let's unwrap the heart charm hang tag. All right, this is so cute, y'all. Look at this. Okay, I just love it. And it matches the little heart on the front in that red, and it's got the white color. It's got a dark chain on it too. And then on the back of it, it has your Coach and Keith Haring in a shiny, darker leather there. If you can see the Coach and Keith Haring on there. So really, really cute. And it's gonna go perfect on this bag as well, because when she had it listed, it was hanging from there. So that's what it looks like against the bag. So that's gonna be perfect. Thank you so much, Kelley. I love this bag, and I'm so happy that I purchased it from you on Poshmark. Thank you for making me a deal on it, and I do appreciate that. All right, y'all, so that is my unboxing and review of this beautiful Preloved from Poshmark Coach Market Tote in this beautiful ice pebbled leather, and it's the Keith Haring and Coach collaboration from 2017. A beautiful piece to add to my collection, and thank you so much to the seller, Kelley. Like I said, I will link her information in the description of the video for her Poshmark store, so definitely check out Poshmark if you haven't. You can really find some great deals on Poshmark. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got as much enjoyment as I did unboxing this bag. It's beautiful, and let me know what you think about it in the comments, please. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, y'all don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if you'll stop and give my video a like before you leave, it does help my channel to grow, and I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye.